This is Dr. Cohen. I'm here with Johnny. He's a lacrosse coach, player, podcast host, videographer, patient of mine who looked us up, follows us on Instagram, and after 6 years just wanted to stop by and tell us how he's doing, which for me as a doctor is the greatest feedback anybody can give, because usually when people are better, we never see them again. We don't get long-term follow-up. So if you want to, can you explain like what type of injuries you had and what we did?
So in 2011 was the first time I broke my thumb. I had a break on the, it was an avulsion fracture on the base of my thumb. I also tore a ligament. And I play a sport called lacrosse. And what happens is you're holding the stick, and I got hit from behind, and my hand kind of did a split. So it was a pretty painful injury. And with that injury, you can't really hold the stick unless you get it fixed. So we ended up, I came here and saw Dr. Cohen, and then he treated me.
And I remember there was an issue of could we do it without surgery or could we do it with surgery? Do you remember what our approach was?
Yeah, so there was a possibility of having surgery, which would have fixed it, but we ended up going with a cast so that I'd be able to still play lacrosse. So we did a cast for a few weeks, then I'd tape it up a little bit once it was fixed, and the cast worked well. And I also, when I was in the cast, I wasn't playing obviously with the cast, but I had team colors. So my teams that I play for, we usually have pretty out there designs, uniforms. So every cast I've ever had, we had some cool, pretty cool patterns. They have a lot of options here.
So, over the years of doing this, now it's been 18 years that I've been in practice. I've always tried to really stand out from the customer care, if you want to call it that, service-oriented part of this industry. Not just like, this is what's wrong with you and you have a break and we're going to fix it, we're going to put a screw in there and get on with your life. So we really try hard. Oftentimes we'll say we want to be the Four Seasons of healthcare, like the fancy hotel. What was your experience with my staff as a patient?
The staff was great, very reassuring and confident in their abilities, and also Dr. Cohen, and there's another man that helped me out as well. They were very good at everything they did. They reassured you that they're going to get your problem fixed, whatever your fracture, torn ligaments, they're in control, they know what they're doing. So I was very reassured, and I didn't have any worries when I came here.
Well, that's fantastic, and again, it means the world to me that after all these years, you took time out of your busy life to come in here and show us how great you're doing and spend a couple minutes doing this with us.
Yeah, thank you very much. And I encourage anybody that's watching this, if you need a doctor for a break or torn ligaments, or you need hand therapy, this is the place to go, and they can direct you to the best hand therapy as well. So
great. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.